Good morning, children. Welcome to the third and the last session of Art of Pot Making. Before starting today's session, we will have a short recap of all the points which we have discussed in the earlier two sessions. Okay. Early humans used the earthen pots for storing the food grains as well as cooking. The art of making earthen pots is called pottery. A person who makes pots on a potter's wheel is a potter. A potter's wheel is helpful for a potter in making better pots at a faster speed. And from where do we get clay? We get clay from clayey soil. It is a type of soil which is soft and sticky. We use clay for making pots and dishes as it is cheap and easy to get. It can be molded into different forms, can be decorated easily and is even eco-friendly. What does eco-friendly mean? Means being friendly with the environment. Doesn't cause any harm to the environment. And later we have observed a video, isn't it, where you have seen a potter making a pot on the potter's wheel. After making clay pots, the pots are dried under the sun. After drying, they are baked on fire. Later, they are decorated. I hope you all understood the topic. Now, shall we start today's session? Come on, children.
Today's new words. Trowel. 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 One more time. Trowel. Trowel. The meaning for this word is a tool used to dig clay out of the ground. Next word. Knead. 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 One more time. Knead. Knead. The meaning for this word is pressing something to make a smooth paste. Next word. Pinch. Pinch. One more time. Pinch. Pinch. The meaning for this word is squeezing between two fingers. Today's new words. Trowel. 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 One more time. Trowel. Trowel. Knead. 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 Next word. Pinch. Pinch. One more time. Pinch. Pinch. Next word. Pat. Pat. One more time. Pat. The meaning for this word is light touch with hand. Next word. Flat. 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 One more time. Flat. Flat. The meaning for this word is plain. Next word. Roll. 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 One more time. Roll. Roll. The meaning for this word is moving in a particular direction by turning over and over. Next word. Coil. 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 One more time. Coil. Coil. The meaning for this word is spiral shape or a series of circles. Children, in this slide I have given two images. A boy drinking water from clay pot and the other one drinking water from refrigerator. Which one you think is good for health? Correct. The boy drinking water from clay pot has good health when compared to the boy drinking water from the refrigerator. This is because the pot made out of clay contains minerals, and if you drink water from such a clay pot, your body benefits from that. Whereas if you are drinking water from the refrigerator, you may be exposed to cold and cough. So it's better to drink water from clay pot. India is a land of festivals, and almost every month we have a festival to celebrate, and we even use clay items in one or the other way for these festivals. Children, I am going to give a task for you. I have placed certain pictures related to the festivals. Can you identify them? Yes, start. The first picture. Yeah, it's related to the Ganesh Chaturthi. Next picture. Good. Pongal. Third picture. Good. Dussehra. And the last but not the least, Diwali. We use clay diyas for lighting the lamps during Diwali. Children, here we will know how to make a clay ball. As we already knew that clay is sticky, we need a tool to dig it out from the ground. Trowel is an instrument used to dig clay from the ground. Now mix clay with water and make a big ball. Push your thumb into the center of the ball to make a pit. Pit means a small hole. You can observe in the picture given towards the right side. Now pinch up walls and pat the bottom to make a flat base, means plain base. Allow it to dry in the sun and your clay ball is ready. Here we will know how to make a ball from a coil of clay. For this you need to knead clay with water and make a big ball. Now you start making coils of clay by rolling your palms. Children, this you can observe when your mother prepares atta dough for preparing puris or rotis. You can just take a small piece of atta dough, and if you roll with your palms, you can have a coil. So now you need to arrange one coil upon the another. Now allow it to dry in the sun and your coiled clay bowl is ready. Wow! This slide is really amazing. Isn't it, children? We have a collection of toys here. Children, you tell me one of your favorites from these colorful toys and tell me the reason why you like the most. Today's key points. Drinking clay pot water is good for health rather than drinking water from the refrigerator. And trowel is the tool used to dig clay out of the ground. In most of the festivals celebrated in India, we use clay in one or the other way, like idols, diyas, and even pots. Now we will know how to make a clay ball. Knead clay with water and make a big ball. Push your thumb into the center of the ball so that you can make a pit. Pinch up walls and pat the bottom to make a flat base. Now you need to allow it to dry in the sun and your clay ball is ready. Making and playing with clay toys is fun and exciting. Assignment 3. Identify the pictures given below. Children, you need to identify the picture and write its name. Next question. Name any 3 festivals in which you use clay items. Next question. Playing with clay toys is fun. Which clay toys do you like the most? Next question, how will you make a clay bowl? And the last one, draw a colorful pot. Children, you can draw a pot which I have given here, and you need to color the pot with only color pencils. Don't use any paints in your notebook. Thank you.